What's up guys, this is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on YouTube about Clickbank affiliate marketing with Instagram. So in this video we're going to dive deep into this topic, and we're going to actually look at the ways how you can start your affiliate marketing business with Instagram, how to monetize Instagram, how to get traffic from Instagram. So before we dive into this topic, you've probably noticed that I'm in front of my YouTube channel, Undisputed Marketer. So if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down there, and you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I strive to deliver every single day a new video regarding affiliate marketing, online business, and how to monetize online. So without further ado, let's dive into today's topic, and today's topic is Instagram affiliate marketing. So I'm just in front of my Instagram channel, Instagram account, and what we are going to do is we're going to look at the different ways how you can do affiliate marketing on Instagram. Now, the first of all is basically doing posts and basically getting new followers and new people to your account, to your Instagram account. Now, how do you do that? Is posting relevant posts in your relevant niche, and basically using hashtags. Now, I'm just going to use some of mine. For example, this one is basically just like a good post, like a good photo, which says just 80%. So it basically creates like a curiosity in front of the people, and I just use some facts that are relevant, and I use hashtags. Now, the most important thing are these hashtags. Now, you can do basically a post without any comments, any text over there, but I do recommend using some text just because it gives more relevancy to it. Now, when it comes to the hashtags, it's very important to use different hashtags that have, and use them strategically. Now, the maximum amount of hashtags is 30 per post. However, how you do that is using it strategically. So first of all, you gotta use hashtags that are relevant to your niche. So basically, I am an affiliate marketer, so I am in the make money online niche, and therefore my relevant hashtags are anything that is connected to online business, making money online, affiliate business, affiliate marketing, all of that stuff. So you can basically see different hashtags for this particular niche. Now, I do use a little bit of different ones, so don't just use affiliate marketing, but use also like business online, success, and all of this stuff. But most important, what it is when it comes to hashtags is using them strategically. And when it comes to it, it's basically like this. So if I open up, for example, this one, I'm just going to open it in a new tab. I'm going to open several ones, and I will just explain you what is the difference between all of them. Now, let me just open one more, maybe this one. Okay, so first of all, this one has 1,400 posts, right? This one, which is just think differently, has 84,000, maybe almost 85,000. This one, think bigger, has 265,000 posts. And this one, which is affiliate lifestyle, has something less than 9,000 posts. Now, the most important thing in this is basically to divide the number of to divide your hashtags with using hashtags that have different number of posts. Now, when it comes to small number of posts, your post, when you post a post under this hashtag, your post will be under the most recent one longer than when you post with a hashtag that has 260,000 posts, right? So that is the most important thing, to have your post seen under the most recent one as long as you can, right? Now, you can see over here, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically 9th in it, right, in the most recent ones, and it was posted 2 days ago. And when I check Think Bigger, which has 265,000, I will probably not even find my post over here. All right, it will be somewhere down if I will be able to find it, but probably I will, but it will be, you know, very down. So this is basically, you know, the secret in it. Now you do also want to use hashtags that have a huge number of posts, because these posts or these hashtags are very much, you know, popular, and people are following these kind of hashtags. But you want to also use, you know, the hashtags that have a small number of posts, because these posts or these hashtags are still seen by some of the people, and you can get, you know, followers also from these small ones. And actually I have experienced that with the small number of with the hashtags that have small number of posts, you can get you can be, you know, even you can get the results even faster and more followers than with the big ones. Now the other thing that we are going to talk about is how to use basically like a paid method on Instagram. Now this was basically the free method, right? So what you do with the posts like this is just basically use your hashtags and get followers to your account, your personal account, and in the bio you use your link, your affiliate link, and this is where basically people will get you and get basically the information about your affiliate opportunity. Now the second part is the paid method. So what you are going to do is find Instagram accounts that have a huge number of followers, and you are going to DM them or basically private message them, maybe email them to do a shout out for you. Now what a shout out is, basically they will post your post which you give them, and they will publish your link in their bio for some specific amount of time. So what you can do is basically just find something that is again relevant to your niche. So think about, I don't know, I'm in a you can go for, you know, lose weight industry, you know, so you can go for lose weight, right? And let's just have a look, what is it over here. Let me just choose some of them. Okay, so this one has 34,000. You don't probably want to go into this one, but go for something that has over 100,000, and maybe something less, but try to find more of them. Now some of these accounts will have in their bio DM for promotion or something like this. This one obviously has just 7,000, so we're not going to lose our time with it. And let me just see this one again. You need to just go through this and find some good ones that are relevant and have quite a lot of number of followers, because we want people to see our offers, right? So just go through it literally one by one, check them, and some of them will have in their bio DM for promotions, and some of them won't. Nevertheless, you can still message them, right? Sorry, I just opened quite a lot of tabs over here. So this one is again just 15,000. Not sure why is it like this. Okay, 64,000 is not that bad, and you can actually DM them. Now this one doesn't have it in their bio that they offer something like this, but you can still try. They would probably be likely to accept it and give you some kind of price for that. And some of them won't, but nevertheless you can still try. You have nothing to lose in the end. And what they will do is post. You need to create your post and basically give the whole text and everything, and they will post your link also here in their bio, right? But I just wanted to find something that we can. Okay, this one is great. 129k followers. Will it others follow? Maybe this one, they have a phone number. Maybe this one could be a good one. You can try to DM them. If you want, you can even call them. This one is again just a small account. Not sure why is it just so small numbers. Maybe we should try something like a fitness or something like this. Let me just go through this one and we will try something different. This one is still small ones. And what happens is that, you know, obviously the more followers they will have, the price will be different. Here is it. Promo Hinga. Okay, this is probably something they promote, and it's not even in English, so you probably don't want. Okay, this is actually okay. Let's just try something like fitness. Okay, with fitness we'll probably find something something more something better. Let's just go through it. And basically what happens is that they post your post on their feed and people will see it, right? And you will get not followers, but you will get traffic to your affiliate offer, and that's how you get it. Now look at this one. This is perfect one. These guys have a Gmail or email in their bio, so this is perfect example. Most of them don't have emails, but they usually have something like DM for promotions or something like this. But this one has already even email, which is amazing, because when they have email, it's a great sign for you that they are open to collaborations, to promotions and all of that stuff. So if you are in a fitness niche or lose weight niche or whatever it is, you can email these guys and tell them, what's up guys, listen, I've seen your account, whatever, I would like a promotion, I would like a shout out on your account, let me know what are your prices, whatever, something like this. And they will probably offer you something like a price for let's say an hour or a 24-hour promotion. They will leave your link in their account for 24 hours, and you will pay them for that. Now they have 66.5 thousand followers, so basically 66,000 people will see your offer, your link, whatever, and they can basically get to your website, right? And these people, they follow these guys, so they are looking at is they follow them, they want to get the information. So this is a perfect and a great way how to get how to basically enlarge your email list. So this is it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get lots of value from it. We've gone through two methods how to do Clickbank affiliate marketing with Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it, what are your results with it. Give me thumbs up if you liked the video, and listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how to create strategies and implement it into your business so you get and create the relationship between you and your customer into that level, even that it doesn't really even matter what you're selling. Is the most important thing is that it's you selling and people will buy it from you. So if you are interested in something like that, go ahead and click the link in the description below. It's the first link in the description, and you will get full access to my 4-day free video series where you will learn each day something new about affiliate marketing, about all of the strategies to implement in it, and it's completely free, so you will get full access to it. So this is it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.